So the radish seeds are a lot thicker actually, so sometimes you might need more of a sprinkling, more than the usual sort of 3 or 4. There is enough seed in there, don't be afraid with the radish actually. These ones are like the super speediest. I think one of the tastiest, and it's pretty. But if you aren't into spice, then obviously a big mouthful of this is going to be spicy. But they really complement if you're going to use peas or other greens, or just putting a very few on any meal, even soup and things. It takes away that spice. So don't be too afraid. I know that people think, oh, I don't like spicy. I know you get super tasters, but give it a try. Again, I'm going to water this, make sure it's got enough water. My growth tip thing isn't, I think with the water, hardened water, we get a lot of lime scale around here. So I'm just going to push that down a little bit to make sure they are covered in the water. Cover it over, and that's the China radish.